Whether you're working as part of a traineeship or studying in Europe, the Erasmus Grant is available to all UK, EU and international students. Contributing towards the extra costs encountered from studying or working abroad, the Erasmus Grant isn't means tested and is paid to students in 2 lump sums. Let's take a look at what you need to do to get the second and remaining grant payment towards the end of your study exchange or work placement abroad. All forms will be sent to your student email account and should be returned to the Erasmus team at Sheffield Hallam University. All students are required to complete a participant report. This is your chance to feed back on your Erasmus experience. A link to the report will be sent to your student email address at the end of your mobility. If you're on a study exchange, please ensure the overseas university completes your certificate of attendance. And if you're on a work placement, arrange for the traineeship certificate to be completed by your employer. When completing forms, please ensure all signatures are either a scan of a real signature or a handwritten. And when returning to the Erasmus team, please scan the documents, pictures won't be accepted. And if you have any questions about the Erasmus Grant process, please get in touch with the team.